today I have for you my February Plan With Me video. This is going to be a quick video, so let's get into it. So I, of course, already went ahead and sketched out what I'm going to do. And for this month, I am doing a Black History Month theme, kind of coupled with hearts and love for Valentine's Day. And I feel like the colors just match. So I found this little printout that I put on the left side that says Celebrate Black History. And then on the right hand side, it's my title page, and I put a little quote in the middle and a calendar on the bottom. So the quote says, "Love always wins." And I thought that was kind of cute, you know, because it's Valentine's Day. Even though Valentine's Day is just one day out of the month, you know, everyone else I felt like was just doing like these hearts themes, and I'm not really that kind of girly girl like that. So Black History Month it is for me, you know what I'm saying? Gotta represent my peoples. So here I just drew like a little quarter circle or whatever you want to call that, and just put some hearts around it. I told y'all I am not an artist at all. I did all of this with stencils, so I was really trying hard to come up with something to do for this title page to kind of make it look cute. So here I am just coloring in the hearts with my red Crayola pencil. And then here I'm just creating like some little shadows on the word February. I probably could have left that out, but I think it looks cute. I mean, you just gotta rock with it sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just like erasing all my pencil marks. Like I said, I have to sketch everything out first. So then my next spread is my monthly. And for January, when you watch my flip through video, you'll realize that I did January wrong, and so like I have Thursday like within the crease, so I fixed it for February. So my monthly is a 2-month spread. I like to do this because I can look ahead and see, you know, anything that's coming up. You know, if obviously I haven't created the weekly spread for that particular week, I can come here to the monthly and get a quick glance and put it on my to-do. So I'm just filling in the boxes, of course, and then writing out the days of the week on top. And I kept this pretty minimalistic. Again, I'm not an artist, so I didn't do anything in the corners, but I am putting this little Black History Month sticker, so I guess that counts for something, right? So on this next page here, in January, I did a half a page for the brain dump and the other half for my YouTube tracker, and I decided to switch things up a little bit for February, so I'm just doing half of a quarter of a page for the brain dump and the other quarter for the YouTube tracker, and then on the other side a to-do list, because my to-do list for January kind of did get filled up, so I wanted a little bit more space for that in February. And then on the right page is my budget tracker, and I'm also switching that up a little bit. You see, as you kind of go, you kind of see what, you know, you like, change it up, you know, try new things. So I have one box for my income, another box for expenses, another box for miscellaneous items, and then a balance box so that I can see what I'm over or under for the month, because you know sometimes that happens, you know. But this is the reason why we create this spread, a budget spread, so that you could kind of keep your budget on track, you know what I'm saying? I did a little money bags. I try, y'all. I really do try. And then this is just the beginning of the week for February, and then I'm gonna do like a much better spread for the beginning of February. So now I'm just going in with this gold marker. I'll leave everything down below to color in my little money bag there. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I kept it really minimalistic. Not an artist. Once again, I'm gonna say this in almost every video, I am not an artist. So if you're just like me, this will be amazing for you. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so very much. Please don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Talk soon.